Hey guys, it's Dr. Lauren. I wanted to share with you today a little bit more about the cervical curve. Now, Dr. Jake and I look at this on the x-ray. It's that x-ray that we take from the side, and we're measuring the amount of curvature in that spine. And the reason why a normal cervical curve is so important is because it gives us an idea of the tone of the nervous system. So if we have a affected cervical curve, and usually we see that the curve is, so it's supposed to be coming back like this, and usually we see it's flattening out or even shifting towards the other direction. But when we have that shift away from neutral, it means that the nervous system, the tone and the function of the nervous system is diminished. And when that happens, we don't have access to our most highest functioning self. So normalizing that spinal curve is super important for supporting the health and tone of the nervous system. This is why we give you guys those exercises to do that on top of the adjustment will help retrain that cervical curve. And I want to share with you why those adjustments, or why those exercises actually. So if you think about a baby, when a baby is born, they're all crunched up. They have only one primary curve. And it's the first year really that they start, well, actually really the first 6 months that they are starting to develop that cervical curve. And what do? The best way is that they're on their tummy and they're lifting their head up and they're looking from side to side. So it's that movement of looking up, turning, using our vision in those positions that actually helps develop that cervical curve. It gives really good input into the brain to help direct the tone of the nervous system. So that is why those exercises are so important, because not only do we have the adjustment to help aid in the correction of the spine and the nervous system, but that is only 10 minutes out of your day. Now you have access to cool things at home that you can do to speed up the healing process, so that we can also not only normalize your structure, but also optimize your tone. And a nervous system that has good tone is able to coordinate all that fun stuff that you want to do. You're socializing, you're running, you're playing. It helps you digest better, it helps you sleep better. So this is why those exercises are so important. I hope this helps, and I hope this gets you more motivated to do a little bit more with those at home.